talking about hobbies. Hi there. What do you like to do in your free time? I love reading. How about you? I enjoy painting. That's wonderful. What kind of books do you read? I enjoy fantasy novels. How about you? I like historical fiction. That's interesting. Do you have a favorite author? Yes. I love J.K. Rowling. How about you? I'm a big fan of Ken Follett. That's great. How long have you been reading as a hobby? Since I was a child. How about your painting? I started painting 5 years ago. That's impressive. Thank you. Do you have a favorite subject to paint? Yes. I love painting landscapes. How about you? Do you read every day? Yes. I try to read for at least an hour. That's a great habit. Thank you. Do you ever paint portraits? Sometimes. But I prefer landscapes. What do you like about painting? It's relaxing and allows me to express myself. How about reading? It helps me escape and learn new things. That's true. What's your favorite landscape to paint? I love painting mountains. How about you? Do you prefer physical books or ebooks? I prefer physical books. There's something special about holding a book. I agree. Do you display your paintings? Yes. I have some in my home. That's lovely. Thank you. Do you ever join a book club? Yes. It's fun to discuss books with others. That's a good idea. Do you ever sell your paintings? Not yet. But I'm considering it. That's exciting. It is. Do you read multiple books at once? Sometimes. But I try to focus on one at a time. That's a good strategy. Do you experiment with different painting techniques? Yes. I like trying new styles. That's creative. Thank you. Do you recommend any good books? Yes. You should try The Nightingale by Kristen Hanna. Thank you. I'll check it out. Do you attend painting workshops? Occasionally. They're very helpful. That's great. Do you listen to music while painting? Yes. It helps me focus. How about you? Do you read in silence or with background noise? I prefer silence. But sometimes soft music is nice. That's interesting. Do you paint outdoors or indoors? Both. But I enjoy outdoor painting the most. That's inspiring. Thank you. What's your favorite place to read? I love reading in a cozy corner of my house. How about you? Do you have a studio for painting? Yes. I've set up a small studio at home. That's convenient. It is. Do you share your reading list with others? Yes. I post reviews online. That's helpful. Thank you. Do you paint every day? Not every day. But I try to paint regularly. That's good. What's the longest book you've read? War and Peace by Leo Tolstoy. How about you? Have you painted anything large? Yes. I painted a mural once. That's incredible. Thank you. Do you read books in other languages? Sometimes. I try to read in French. That's impressive. Thank you. Do you paint with others? Sometimes. I join group painting sessions. That's fun. It is. Do you collect books? Yes. I have a small library at home. That's amazing. Thank you. Do you collect art supplies? Yes. I have a variety of paints and brushes. That's great. Do you write about your hobbies? Sometimes. I journal about what I read. How about you? Do you keep a record of your paintings? Yes. I photograph them for my portfolio. That's smart. Thank you. What's your dream project? I'd love to write a book someday. How about you? I'd like to create a series of themed paintings. That's wonderful. It is. Do you have a favorite bookshop? Yes. I love visiting independent bookstores. How about you? Do you have a favorite art store? Yes. There's a local shop I visit often. That's nice. It is. What's the most challenging book you've read? Ulysses, by James Joyce. That's impressive. Thank you. What's the most challenging painting you've done? A detailed cityscape. That sounds difficult. It was. But it was worth it. Do you enjoy discussing hobbies with others? Yes. It's great to share experiences. I agree. Do you think hobbies are important? Absolutely. They bring joy and balance to life. That's true. Do you plan to start any new hobbies? Maybe photography. How about you? I'd like to try writing. That's exciting. It is. What advice would you give to someone starting a new hobby? Be patient and enjoy the process. That's good advice. Thank you. How do you make time for your hobbies? I schedule them into my routine. That's smart. It works well. Do you participate in hobby-related events? Sometimes. Like book fairs or art exhibitions. That's inspiring. Thank you. Do you believe hobbies can become careers? Yes. With passion and dedication. That's true. Do you think everyone should have a hobby? Definitely. It adds meaning to life. I agree. What's your next book to read? Becoming, by Michelle Obama. How about you? What's your next painting project? A sunset over the ocean. That sounds beautiful. Thank you. What's one thing you've learned from your hobbies? Patience and creativity. How about you? To appreciate details. That's valuable. It is. Do you think hobbies can bring people together? Yes. They create connections. I agree. Do you share your hobbies online? Yes. It's a great way to connect with others. That's true. What's your favorite thing about your hobbies? They make me happy. How about you? They help me relax. That's wonderful. It is. What other hobbies have you tried? I've tried gardening. How about you? I've tried playing the piano. That's great. Did you enjoy gardening? Yes. It's very calming. Did you enjoy playing the piano? Yes. It was challenging but rewarding. That's true. Have you considered revisiting those hobbies? Yes. I'd like to start gardening again. How about you? I'm thinking of taking piano lessons. That's exciting. It is. Do you watch videos about hobbies? Yes. They're very informative. How about you? Yes. They give me new ideas. That's great. Have you ever tried photography? Yes. I love taking nature photos. How about you? I've tried photographing cityscapes. That's wonderful. It is. What's your favorite photo you've taken? A sunrise over the mountains. How about you? A bustling street in the rain. That's beautiful. Thank you. Do you think photography is an art form? Absolutely. It captures moments and emotions. I agree. What's your next hobby goal? I'd like to join a photography club. How about you? I want to exhibit my paintings. That's ambitious. It is. What inspires you to try new hobbies? Curiosity and the desire to learn. How about you? A passion for creativity. That's wonderful. Thank you. What's the best thing about hobbies? They make life more enjoyable. I agree. They do. Have you ever tried cooking as a hobby? Yes. I love experimenting with new recipes. How about you? I enjoy baking cakes and desserts. That's great. What's your favorite dish to cook? I love making pasta dishes. How about you? I enjoy baking cookies. That's delicious. It is. Do you share your food creations with others? Yes. I often cook for my family and friends. That's lovely. It is. Do you have a favorite cuisine? Yes. I love Italian food. How about you? I'm a big fan of Japanese cuisine. Both are wonderful. They are. Have you ever attended a cooking class? Yes. I learned to make sushi. How about you? I joined a baking workshop once. That's exciting. It was. Do you think cooking is a creative outlet? Absolutely. It allows you to express yourself through flavors. I agree. What's your dream dish to master? I'd love to perfect homemade ramen. How about you? I want to learn to bake a perfect sourdough bread. Both sound amazing. They do. What's the best meal you've ever cooked? A 3-course dinner for my parents. How about you? A chocolate cake for my friend's birthday. That's so thoughtful. Thank you. Do you ever watch cooking shows? Yes. They're very inspiring. How about you? I love watching them too. That's great. Do you think anyone can cook? Yes. With practice and patience. I agree. It's a skill anyone can learn.